everyone. Welcome back to the Profit Driven channel. I'm Maya, and today we're having a conversation that is long overdue. It will sound techie, but I promise this is going to be plain English, zero intimidation. Because AI is everywhere now. We're talking about AI, but like human AI talk, not the blockchain synergy neural network nonsense.
Thank you. Please don't summon the synergy demons.
Exactly, because everyone's either terrified, like AI is coming to steal their job and their boyfriend, or they're overexcited, like AI will cook my food, pay my rent, and raise my kids. No.
Yeah. Okay, AI can help you, but it's not your friend, and it's not your conscience.
Period. So here's the deal. By the end of this episode, you'll know what AI is, what it's actually doing, how people use it at work, and how to not accidentally leak your whole company's secrets. Like, oops.
That oops has ended careers.
And we don't want that. Okay, Dr. Peter, let's start super simple. Dr. Peter, in plain language, what is AI?
Okay. AI is basically software that can do thinking-like tasks. Not human thinking, but tasks that look like thinking. Reading text, writing, summarizing, spotting patterns, suggesting next steps.
So it's like a very fast office assistant.
Yes, like an assistant who reads everything, never sleeps and answers immediately, but also sometimes confidently lies.
So it's like that coworker who always speaks with confidence even when wrong.
Exactly. AI is that coworker with speed. So we use it for reading and making sense of text, writing or rewriting messages, summarizing long content, finding patterns in numbers, suggesting options, and helping you start when you're stuck.
Okay, so give me a real office example. Like, I'm at work, my brain is tired, my boss is calling me.
Yeah, okay. Example, you have a messy email draft, like, "Hi, we didn't do the thing because the thing didn't work, and also sorry." AI can rewrite it into, "Hi name, quick update. We hit issue. Here's what we've done. Here's the next step. And here's when you'll hear from us." So you go from chaos to clarity fast.
So AI helps you sound like you have your life together.
Yes, like you slept, even if you didn't.
Now, people think AI understands like humans, does it?
Not really. It's trained on massive amounts of examples, language, formats, patterns. It becomes good at predicting what a useful next output should look like.
So it's like autocomplete on steroids.
That's actually a good way to explain it, yeah. It predicts what words or steps come next based on patterns.
And that's why it can sound so confident even when it's wrong.
Exactly. It doesn't feel embarrassment. It doesn't pause and go, I'm not sure. It just outputs.
So it's a smooth talker.
A smooth talker with a keyboard.
Okay, so what do we do with a smooth talker? We verify.
Yep. Treat AI like a first draft machine.
Okay, what are employees really using AI for? Like, not the marketing fantasy, real life.
Okay, yeah. Biggest one, writing and rewriting. Emails, reports, proposals, meeting updates, polishing grammar, adjusting tone, like firm but respectful, softer, executive level.
I love firm but respectful because sometimes you want to say, please stop this nonsense, but professionally.
Exactly. AI helps translate your emotions into workplace English.
Workplace English is basically, I'm upset, to, I want to clarify expectations.
Yes, and it saves 30 to 70% time on drafting.
Summarizing is huge too, right?
Massive, like quietly life-changing massive. People use it to turn a long report into the 5 to 10 key points that actually matter, to pull out risks, decisions needed, and next steps. And this is where teams get faster, because clarity kills confusion. When follow-up is clear, you stop having that weekly meeting that's basically, so, what did we agree last time?
Because without follow-up, meetings are just vibes.
Exactly. Meetings without outcomes are expensive entertainment. It's like a podcast episode nobody asked for, except you paid for it with salaries. So AI helps you turn a 60-minute conversation into, here's what we decided, here's who owns what, here's when it's due. And now the meeting actually produces work instead of just producing more meetings. Okay, good.
Brainstorming. People use it for ideas?
Oh yeah, big time. Brainstorming is one of the safest, highest ROI uses. You can ask it for titles, hooks, structures, training activities, presentation flow, campaign angles, even examples and analogies to make your message land. And the best part is, it's like having a creative partner who's always available and never says, I'm not in the mood today.
Or the creative partner who disappears for just 5 minutes and comes back next week.
Exactly. But okay, here's the pro move. Don't just say, give me ideas. Give it a box. Say, give me 10 ideas for a training session on topic for audience. Make 3 fun, 3 serious, 2 low budget, 2 interactive. Because constraints make the ideas better.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. So you're basically directing the creativity, not hoping for magic.
Yes. AI brings options fast. You pick the ones that fit reality.
Right. Okay. Turning mess into structure? Tell us more.
Yeah, okay. Another big one is turning mess into structure. Like, those notes that look like a crime scene? Random bullets, half sentences, voice note energy, remind me later, arrows everywhere. Yeah. AI is really good at taking that and producing something clean, like a proper outline. Intro to key points, examples, conclusion. A checklist people can actually follow. SOP steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, with tools and owners. A table that organizes everything. Task, owner, deadline, status. So instead of spending 45 minutes trying to make it look professional, you paste the rough notes, using placeholders if needed, and say, organize this into a clear structure for a beginner. And boom, you've got something usable. Okay, good.
So basically, AI is the friend that comes to your house and goes, okay, we're cleaning this room today.
Exactly. It's like Marie Kondo for your brain. Does this bullet point spark clarity? Yeah, brain housekeeping.
And repetitive tasks?
Yeah. Repetitive tasks are where AI quietly becomes your best employee. Like, you've got the same update, but you need to send it to 3 different people: the CEO, a team lead, and an external partner. Same facts, totally different expectations. CEO version, super short, decision-focused. Here's status, risk, what I need from you. Team lead version, more operational. Here's what changed, what we're doing today, who owns what. Partner version, calm, polished, relationship safe. Here's the update, timeline, next step, and reassurance. So you're not rewriting the same thing 3 times. You give AI one set of facts and say, okay, now tailor it for each audience.
Oh, so it's like 1 story, 3 outfits. Exactly. Same truth, different suit. So basically, AI is the copy-paste champion with manners.
Exactly.
Okay, what goes wrong when people start using AI?
3 big things. 1, vague prompts equals AI guesses wrong. 2, confident wrong answers. 3, it invents details to fill gaps.
So it's like when someone doesn't know the story but still gossips.
Yes, it will create a story if you let it.
So what's the right mindset?
Treat AI like a fast assistant for first drafts. Human stays in charge. Check accuracy, adjust tone, add real context, and make final decisions.
So the rule is AI drafts, you approve.
That's the whole episode in one line.
People get confused. Automation, machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, help.
Okay, Simple map. Most workplace AI is narrow AI, task-focused. AGI is the human level across everything concept, mostly future.
So if someone says AI is basically human now, they're doing too much.
Yes, they're doing marketing. 1, rule-based automation, if-then. 2, machine learning, learns patterns from data. 3, deep learning, powerful ML for complex patterns, speech, images, language. 4, generative AI, creates content, text, images, code.
So the clean takeaway, if then, is automation, learns patterns is ML, creates content is Gen AI.
Perfect. 1, chat assistants. 2, meeting assistants. 3, research tools with sources. 4, built-in office AI. Email, docs, slides, spreadsheets.
So people don't need 47 apps, they need like 3 or even less? I am laughing because I have been a culprit on this one. I see a lot of people install an AI app used for like an hour or even less and then uninstall, then install another AI app, and the cycle continues until they give up.
Right. Tool hopping is how you get frustrated and quit.
You said something powerful. Treat AI like an intern.
Yes. AI is very eager, very fast,
sometimes wrong, and not aware of your workplace context. So your job is to manage it. 1. Give clear instructions. 2. Provide context. And 3. Review and correct.
Okay, give me a bad prompt versus good prompt.
Bad, write an email. Better, write an email to my manager requesting approval to buy a new printer. Polite, short, include cost, $850,000. Reason, current printer jams, deadline next Friday.
That's so good. AI can't read minds, so stop acting like it's your spouse.
Exactly.
Now, we must talk about safety because people are out here pasting passwords into AI like, hey, bestie, hold this.
Oh, wow. Yeah, no. Rule 1, news front page rule. If you wouldn't want it on the front page tomorrow, don't paste it. Don't paste passwords, PINs, OTPs, API keys, personal data, IDs, bank details, addresses, DOB, HR-sensitive info, salaries, reviews, discipline, medical, confidential company info, contracts, bids, strategy, forecasts.
So if I paste, John Miller owes $2,450,000 and threatened, no?
$2,450,000 is a lot of money. Mr. Miller, what did you use the money for? No. Use placeholders. Customer owes amount and is escalating externally.
I don't know why I thought of that number. So placeholders are basically the blur filter for text.
Exactly.
And if someone already pasted sensitive info?
Stop, contain, rotate credentials if needed, report to IT or security, document what happened, learn without blame.
Okay, good. That's calm because people panic and then do more damage. Rule 2, fact check.
Yes, verify if AI gives stats, percentages, laws and regulations, medical or safety guidance, financial numbers. Ask what source. If it can't provide a trustworthy source, treat as idea, not fact.
Rule 3, you still own the output.
Yep. And let me be very clear, AI does not show up when things go wrong. When the boss calls a meeting like, so, who approved this email? AI won't raise its hand. It won't sweat. It won't explain. You will. AI can draft it, but once you hit send, that message has your name on it forever, okay?
Yikes!
Here's the thing, though. You only need AI apps that can act as a writer, thinker, a secretary, meeting notes, a researcher, sources. And if you find one that does all the above, you don't need more than one app to help you with the above.
So weeks 1-2, use Writer Thinker daily. Week 3+, add Meeting Assistant. Whenever needed, Researcher for facts.
That's the low-stress way.
Walk us through the 30-minute setup.
Step 1, audit your busy work, 10 minutes. Step 2, choose one pilot task, 5 minutes. Step 3, safe copy habit, 5 minutes. Step 4, review standard, 10 minutes.
Pilot tasks. Rewrite an email, meeting notes to action items, brain dump to outline, policy to checklist.
Yes, pick one you do often and can verify quickly.
Give us the prompt template. Workflow 1, email upgrade.
Rewrite the message below for specific audience, purpose, for what purpose, tone, in what tone, keep under X words, include, must have points, message, paste.
That's a daily lifesaver. Workflow 2, meeting notes to decisions plus action table.
Convert these notes into summary, decisions, action items table, task, owner, due date, notes, risks, open questions. Only label decisions if agreement is clear.
Because AI sometimes declares a decision that never happened. Meanwhile, the team is like, wait, who decided that?
Exactly. The email sounded professional, but it overpromised. That's why review matters. Teams argue, you said you'd do it. No, I didn't. Meeting Assistant plus AI summary fixes that by separating what was discussed, what was decided, who owns what.
So it reduces workplace gaslighting.
Someone pasted a spreadsheet with names, phone numbers, and ID numbers into a tool. Big problem.
So placeholders, always, even if it feels annoying.
Because annoying is cheaper than incident response.
Okay, the magic formula, RCTF.
Yes, role, context, task, format.
Give us the copy-paste template.
Role, act as a role. Context, audience, who, situation, what happened, goal, what I want, constraints, limits. Task, create a, deliverable, format, bullets, table, steps, tone, the tone you want to use, length, limit. Must include, points that you want to drive home, must avoid, confidential info, overpromises, blame. If unclear, ask up to 3 questions.
I love must avoid because some people need AI to stop matching their chaos. Let's do 3.
1. Customer delay apology. Apology plus action plus timeline. 2. Messy notes to executive findings. 5 bullets plus conclusion. 3. IT Wi-Fi help. Numbered steps, calm tone.
These are practical, like tomorrow practical.
Day 1, rewrite 1 email. Day 2, summarize 1 document. Day 3, meeting notes to action table. Day 4, brain dump to outline. Day 5, create a checklist. Day 6, make a reusable template prompt. Day 7, teach 1 workflow to someone else.
Teaching locks it in. Also, it makes you look like a wizard at work. Let's call people out with love.
Mistake 1, being vague, fix, audience, goal, tone, length must include. Mistake 2, no context, fix, audience plus situation plus goal plus constraints. Mistake 3, trusting blindly, fix, treat as draft. Mistake 4, pasting sensitive info, fix, placeholders. Mistake 5, using AI for everything, fix, drafting, summarizing, and organizing, yes, approvals, HR, legal decisions, no.
So AI is a tool, not a boss.
Exactly.
I noticed that 90% of people who are watching are not subscribed. Please do us the honor of subscribing so we can grow our audience. It is a sign that these podcasts are valuable. It means the world to us. All right, people, we have come to the last fun part of our show, and this is the part where we answer your question. Peter, Q&A time. Are you ready?
Born ready.
Okay, first one. Kevin from Nairobi says, can AI write my resignation letter without me crying?
Oh, Kevin. First of all, respect. That's a brave question. Yes, AI can absolutely write a resignation letter that's calm, clean, and professional. Like, I've thought this through energy, even if you're currently holding back tears in the parking lot. But oops, AI cannot do the emotional heavy lifting for you. It can write the words, it can help you avoid over-explaining, and it can stop you from accidentally typing, "I'm done with all of you." You still have to hit send and have the conversation like a grown-up. And here's the professional rule, okay? Keep it simple. Gratitude, notice period, last working day, and smooth handover. No venting, no revenge paragraphs, no, let me tell you what you did in 2021. AI can help you stay classy, but you've got to drive the car.
No revenge paragraphs. That's real.
Yeah, save the feelings for your journal, not the company email.
Another one. Susan from LA says, can AI attend meetings for me and just send me the summary?
Okay, so yes and no. These days, there are tools that can attend in the sense that they join the call, record if allowed, transcribe, and then give you a clean summary and action items. Think Otter, Fireflies.ai, Fathom, Zoom AI Companion, Microsoft Teams Copilot, Google Meet/Gemini, even Notion AI for cleanup after. But, oops, here's the catch. They're basically a silent note taker, not a real teammate. They don't jump in and say, hold on, that timeline won't work, or negotiate, or read the room, or protect you when the boss asks, so Susan, what's your view?
Yikes.
Yeah, so they can absolutely save you time by giving transcripts, summaries, decisions, action items, who said what, and follow-ups, but they won't make contributions like a human. And also use them only when it's allowed. Consent, policy, confidentiality. Because the fastest way to get in trouble is, I sent a bot to a sensitive meeting, and everyone's like, wait, what?
Oh, okay. Okay. Your namesake, Peter from Kampala, says, I'm afraid AI will replace me. What should I do?
Okay. AI replaces tasks first, not whole jobs overnight. The safe move is learn to use it for your tasks, Become the person who reviews quality. Become the person who builds templates or processes. You move from doing to owning workflow.
So you become the manager of the machine.
Exactly.
Okay. Grace from London, what's the safest first use case for beginners?
Okay, yeah, start with email rewrite, specifically something you already drafted. Here's why it's safest. You already know the facts, so you can verify instantly. The output is just wording and tone, low chance of damaging systems or policy, and you can control privacy by using placeholders like manager, budget, deadline. And then your prompt is simple. Rewrite this to be shorter, clearer, and polite. Keep the meaning the same. Give me 2 versions. That's the easiest win without risking an oops moment.
Okay. Give us a real example, like show us, because people always say rewrite an email, but then they freeze.
Yeah, fair. Here's a messy one. Before AI. Hi, just following up on the report. We are behind because there were some issues. Let me know. That's not terrible, but it's vague, and it sounds like you're hiding.
It sounds like you're in trouble.
Exactly. Now, after AI, you'd get something like, hi, name, quick update on report task. We're slightly delayed due to issue, and we're resolving it by action. You'll have the final by date time. Please let me know if you'd like a partial update sooner. Same facts, but now it's clear, confident, and easy to reply to.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. And you didn't paste anything sensitive, just placeholders.
Yep, that's the beginner win. Clarity plus tone upgrade without risking privacy.
Oof. Angela from Toronto says, can I paste performance review notes and ask AI to write them nicely?
Angela, that's a yellow to red zone for real. Because performance reviews can include sensitive HR data, names, ratings, incidents, even medical or disciplinary details. And that's the kind of thing that you never want floating around in the wrong place.
So the safer move is to not paste your real notes.
So, yeah, the safer move is to don't paste your real notes. Ask AI for a performance review template with placeholders like employee, role, strengths, improvement area, examples, next steps, and then you fill in the real details inside your secure HR system.
So basically, don't upload your HR drama to the internet.
Exactly. AI can help you with structure, tone, and fairness language, like how to be clear without being cruel, but you keep the private specifics protected. And if you really want to use AI on your wording, you can paste one sanitized paragraph and say, rewrite this to be neutral and professional. No labels, no emotional language.
Got it. Brian from Akara says, AI told me to run a command on our server and it broke stuff. Help.
Yikes. Okay, Brian, first, breathe. You're not the first person to learn this lesson the hard way. That's the rule. Anything that can break systems, servers, databases, firewalls, production apps, must be verified with official vendor docs or a qualified IT person, because AI can absolutely hallucinate commands, skip safety steps, or give you a command that works in one environment and destroys another.
So don't let AI freestyle in production.
Never. Like, AI is not allowed to DJ in production. Here's the safer workflow. Use AI to explain the error and suggest possible causes. Ask AI for a low-risk checklist first, like read-only checks, logs to inspect, safe diagnostics. And before any command that changes anything, confirm in vendor docs or test in staging or sandbox. And if something already broke, stop running commands, document what you ran, roll back if you can, and escalate to your IT lead.
Oof. So AI can help you troubleshoot, but you keep it on a leash.
Exactly. AI can be your junior assistant, not your production engineer.
Janet from Johannesburg says, can I trust AI with payroll calculations?
Okay, Janet, I'm going to be very honest. AI is helpful with payroll, but it is not your payroll system. So, yes, use AI to explain formulas like how should PAYE be calculated after NSSF. Help you design a spreadsheet layout. Sanity check your logic, like should tax be before or after this deduction, and even generate a checklist for payroll steps. But Oops. When it comes to the final output, you recalculate in your official payroll tool or your approved spreadsheet and you spot check. Because one wrong digit in payroll is not a small mistake. It becomes a trust crisis. People don't forget money mistakes. Ever.
Yeah, you can mess up my name, but don't mess up my salary.
Exactly. And here's a practical habit. If AI helps you build a formula, test it on 3 sample employees and compare against your official method. If it matches, great. If not, don't force it. Payroll is measure twice, send once.
Okay, Peter, land the plane. What's the one takeaway?
Okay, here it is. AI is a power tool, not autopilot. Use it to go from nothing to something good fast. Drafts, summaries, structure, ideas, then you take it to something correct, safe, and professional. So the rule is AI drafts, you approve. And if you remember nothing else, remember this 3-part checklist before you send anything. 1, accuracy. Are the facts, names, numbers, dates right? 2, tone. Does it sound human, respectful, and right for your audience? 3, risk. Did anything sensitive slip in or did it overpromise?
Okay, so speed with supervision. I like that.
Exactly. And one more. Start small. Don't try to AI your whole life today. Pick one workflow, email rewrite, meeting notes, or checklists, and build the habit.
And don't paste your secrets.
Please don't. No passwords, no personal data, no HR cases, no confidential strategy. Use placeholders. AI can save you hours, but only if you use it like a professional, not like a confessional.
Peter, you just changed the way I look at AI for work. I can assure you of something. I will start using it right. It is always a pleasure having you in the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Maya, for having me. Honestly, I learn a lot too from these shows, so we are both students.
All right, friends, if this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with that coworker is excited about integrating AI into their workflow or the other one who's always skeptical about AI. Okay, bye, everybody.